Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty. To begin your journey into Dogtown, first ensure you own the expansion. You can dive in after completing the main game's transmission quest, or by choosing to start a new game directly into the expansion. Either way, a cryptic call from Songbird will soon pull you into the thrilling new narrative, setting the stage for your espionage adventure. Prepare for a high-stakes mission. Phantom Liberty introduces several exciting new mechanics to master. Dogtown, a dangerous new district, offers fresh contracts and secrets to uncover. You'll experience thrilling vehicle combat, adding a new layer to your encounters. Don't forget to invest in the Relic skill tree, which grants powerful, unique abilities to enhance your V. Plus, a vast array of new weapons and cyberware awaits your discovery. The choices you make in Phantom Liberty carry significant weight, directly influencing the narrative's direction and its various outcomes. Take your time with side quests and gigs. They offer crucial experience points and valuable rewards. Remember to continuously upgrade your character's attributes and perks, tailoring V to your preferred combat style. Interacting with the new cast of characters and factions will also unlock exclusive content. To truly excel in Dogtown, be ready for intense combat scenarios and formidable boss battles. Employ stealth and hacking whenever possible to outsmart your adversaries and gain a tactical edge. Dogtown is packed with hidden secrets and valuable loot, so explore every nook and cranny. Don't hesitate to experiment with various character builds. Finding the perfect synergy will greatly enhance your overall experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.